It is 2 months and few weeks to the end of 2022. House you did not build, car you did not buy, marry you did not marry, nothing at the end of the day. In fact, the job you currently are, it's not even 100% secure. You don't even have any contract, and you're like, 2022 is almost over, you did not achieve anything. And that's why I decided to make this video for those people who have had at least 2022 to this month of October not achieving anything, or you didn't know what to start, or you've been thinking, what can I start that will bring me money before the end of 2022 or in 2023? Because if you're planning to start up something in the year 2023, you got to start planning now. You don't need to wait in January 2023. And once January 2023 begins, you're always gonna be like, oh my god, 2023 has started again. It will just go so fast, and at the end of the day you won't achieve anything. So guys, I have decided to make this video sharing with you all some great business ideas that you can start in the year 2023. And when I mean start in the year 2023, you need to start planning it right now. These business ideas, they will bring you lots and lots of money, especially if you're thinking of moving to the UK. If you're thinking of coming here, you need to have these business ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you and have it in your mind. So as soon as you get here in the UK, as soon as you get to Scotland, you will be able to start as soon as possible. So if you want to know, make sure you watch this video to the very end. Hey beautiful Tovians, you're all welcome back. It's your girl Tovia Ogun. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. And if you're yet to subscribe, please do that right now. So I have been able to research so many beautiful business ideas that you can start wherever you are. But if you are in the UK, if you're in Scotland, or you're planning to move here, if you know these business ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you today, you can easily blow up in the UK. You can easily start making money without even depending on anyone or any contract from any job to take care of you. Will start so early. Most of these things I'm going to share with you guys on this video today, I wish someone shared these things with me when I newly moved here, but nobody did. And yeah, that's life. Anyways, so I'm going to be sharing 7 business ideas that you can start in the year 2023. And when I mean 2023, I mean you need to start now. Don't wait in January 2023 before you start planning. You start planning now. So by 2023 latest, you're already out there, you're already selling, you're already making money, you're already cashing out in the UK, in Scotland, or wherever you're gonna be in your current country. You start cashing out already. And I'm gonna be having a part 2 of this video. So this is the part 1 of the ideas you can start, and then part 2, in case if you find out, oh, I don't like anyone from here, wait on the part 2. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. The first business idea I will encourage anyone to start in Scotland or any part of the UK or wherever you are is hair making business, or you can also make it hair selling business. So hairstylist. So in case if you guys don't know, one of the most expensive things to get to do, for you to do for yourself in the UK, is hair making. Like, it's so expensive, especially for us blacks. So if you're from Africa, or if you've got the afro hair type, it's so expensive for you to make your hair in the UK. And people who make your hair here, because they are not that much, they charge you a lot. Me personally, I make hair. In case you guys don't know, I do know how to make hair. I make all my hair myself. All the braids you've seen on my videos, majority of them are made by myself. Okay, and as a result of this, I know how many people have also made hair for that have cashed out a lot. I haven't even taken it as a full-time business. A lot of people have been asking me, Toby, I take it as a full-time business. You're so good, be making hair for people, you make a lot. I know I'll make a lot of money. It's just not for me. Okay, hairstyling is not for me. That's why I don't do it for a living. But I know how many people again I've made hair for, and I cashed out a lot. And I know how many people here you call, I want to make my hair, the amount of money they will charge you, you'll be like, yeah, that's how expensive it is. So if you know how to make hair, you can come to the UK and you will cash out. Like, you will cash out, especially if you're good with braids, weavings, with cornrows. You will make hair a lot. You will make money a lot. You can also learn how to do wigging. It's very important. Learn how to wig hair. And if you move to the UK, trust me, you're gonna cash out. You're gonna cash out a lot. Okay, people can make your braids from 70 pounds upwards, and depending on the length, you'll get like the shortest length like this for 60 pounds, for 50 pounds. And if you want to go beyond that, you get. And if you're making hair for these concussions, is how it's pronounced, concussions, like, you know, the slippery hair, the white people hair, if you're making their hair as well, you cash more, you make more money. Yes, and they will call you, people will call you. In fact, you don't even need to tell people you're making it, you will advertise yourself. If you have nice braids, almost all the people I've made hair for, I never told anyone I do my hair. I just posted the hair I make. If I make myself, I post it, and then people are like, oh, do you make hair? I want to make my hair, I want to come see you, can you do my hair? And people will see me in the street, they'll be like, oh, I love your hair. These white people, they'll be like, I love your braids, can you do my, oh, do you know how I can? I'll be like, oh, I make it, and that's how I make it, that's how I do people's hair, that's how I advertise myself. So that's how much you can easily just get customers for hair. Like, you can easily get customer if you know how to make hair. If you're thinking of moving to the UK and hair making is something you want to go into, or you love it, or you love the idea, or you love the money that comes with it, then you should learn how to make hair before moving to the UK. Don't say, if I come to the UK, that's when I will learn it. Are you okay? That's not even okay. You pay a lot, and at the end of the day, you might not even be good after learning it here. Okay, anyway, so learning wherever you are, especially if you're coming from Africa, Nigeria, learn it. And once you move to the UK or Scotland, you're gonna be cashing out a lot, and you don't want to waste that opportunity. So that's the first idea we encourage anyone to start in the UK, or start in the year 2023, or you can even start now. So okay, the second idea we encourage anyone to start in the year 2023, or if you're moving to the UK, is launching your own clothing brand, especially if you got an amazing idea. Now, the reason I picked this one is it's quite easy to start. I don't mean it's like easy, but what I mean is you can actually get all of the resources you need just from online. So if you are someone who loves clothing, or you got a nice idea of coming up with your own clothing style, yeah, starting your clothing brand here in the UK is good. But another idea from clothing brand is you can be selling already made. So you can sell what other people have made. You can sell clothes like Nike, create your own page or your own online store where you're selling things that are already existing. But the best is starting your own clothing brand. If you know people, if you know friends, if you have an idea, you just go online, do enough research, and then start your own clothing brand. If you guys want me to do a detailed video for how you can actually start your own clothing brand, I can help you guys with that. But there are a lot of people I know here in the UK, there are a lot of people that are even coming up that I already know of that are going to start their own clothing brand very soon. A lot already started, so this is one business that's really booming in the UK. And yeah, there's money in this business as well, especially if your idea is beautiful, not the common things we're all used to. Yeah, you can easily sell by just starting your own clothing brand with small inventory, guys. You don't even need millions to start. You don't, trust me. The third business I will encourage anyone to start if they're moving to the UK is being a makeup artist. If you guys don't know, people in the UK loves events. See, even during the cold, there are people still having events and parties and birthdays and celebrations and ceremonies and dedications. Yes, people are still having it even with the cold. Me personally, I'll be like, the cold is too much, I don't want to go out, I don't want to do stuff. But people are still there, are like, nah, we need to club, we need to, we need to go clubbing, we need to have fun. Yes, so if you're a good makeup artist, if you have an idea about makeup, if you're really good, the UK is a place where you can also earn a lot of money being a makeup artist. Okay, people here that do makeup, they cash out, they'll be charging you for a lot. You guys know I don't know how to do makeup. I'm not good with makeup, okay? But I just do whatever I can do for myself because I don't have money. I don't have money to give for makeup because it's also expensive. Yeah. The same way hair is expensive in the UK, that's the way makeup is expensive, okay? And these people, they do get clients a lot. Especially if you know people or you're always going out there, let people know this is what I do. You will cash out a lot. You will get a lot of customers. There will be like no weekend that you will not be working. Yes, that's one thing. Although hair is more expensive, but yeah, being a makeup artist in the UK is also very expensive, and you'll be able to cash out more as well. The full idea that you can actually start in the UK or wherever you are is a content creator. I mean, the most popular one now is being a TikToker. Last 2 years, 2020, early 2021, YouTube was the trendy one. Everyone was running to YouTube. Everyone became a YouTuber. A lot of people that don't even have any idea. Everyone just packed into YouTube, like, because of COVID, yeah. And during that time, TikTok also blew a lot of people up. But even up to now, TikTok TikTok is still blowing people up day and night. YouTube is harder compared to TikTok, okay, but then people do cash out on TikTok nowadays. You can easily blow up on TikTok. So being a content creator, you can earn money from YouTube. Personally, I do make money from being a YouTuber, even if I'm very small, but I do make 1 or 2 from it. And then if you're a TikToker, you can also make a lot of money as well. So content creator is an idea you can also look into. If you live in any city, you can start making content about your city. You can start making content about your life. So there are people out there that don't have any direction with their YouTube pages or with their TikTok pages, with their content creating. They're just everywhere, yeah, they're still making money. Yeah, you can be everywhere and still be making money. So yeah, that's one thing you can also think of if you want to move into the UK. The 5th idea that me personally, I already plan on starting this one, is being a lash technician. So in case you guys haven't seen my video where I told you guys I went for the lash training, I will link that video up there so you guys can go see it. So personally, I love lashing. I went to learn how to do eyelash extension. It's way hard. It's really hard, guys, trust me, it's really hard. But yeah, people do cash out from this business a lot. Chai, like lash technicians, those people make money just like people who make hairdressers, the same way. Especially if you're living in a place like the US, Canada, like those people, their prices is way higher compared to people in the UK, and they are cashing out. So if you live in the UK, you can also cash out. Although lashing is quite hard to start, being a lash technician, that one takes more time to start because you need to be really good to be able to start working on people's eyes. But if you want to go to the other part, like selling lashes, selling the strip lashes or the lash equipment, you're the supplier, so that way you can also make a lot of money from it. I know when it comes to being the lash supplier, okay, if you do that like wholesale, there are so many people in the business already. The competition is quite high, so you want to make sure you have really good lashes, you have really good equipment that you're selling, so that way people can also come to you and buy from you. Okay, the 6th idea you can actually start in the UK is selling scrunchies. Now I know this one, I would say it's a bit limited in a way that it sells more with the white people. Obviously if you're black, you also sell, but it just sell more with the white people. Okay, what I mean is scrunchies, the one you use in packing your hair, yeah, it's quite a big deal, yeah, as well. People do that for a living. People sell scrunchies for a living. That is actually their business, and people are cashing out. I know a lot of people on YouTube and on TikTok that does it for a living, and they are cashing out. They have different ideas of scrunchies. They have amazing ideas, and they're actually cashing out from that business, and they are selling so well. The beginning might be hard, but the end is always going to be better. The middle will be better. So if that's something you want, you fancy, you can also start that idea as well. And the 7th idea you can start in the UK, this one is sweet, is being an event planner. Now this one is in a way, there are different types of event planners, but this one is gonna be in a let's say stylish way. Yes, you need to be following a lot of artists, you need to know a lot of people in your area, in your street, people that love events, people that love going out. You need to make them your friends to be able to cash out and sell out in this particular idea. So when I mean event planning, there are people out there, they take notes of any event that's coming up, anything that's coming up. Maybe there's an artist coming to the city, to their town, they follow the artist, they follow the banner, they take their flyers, they start promoting, they start getting people, they start selling out tickets. That is event planning. Those people, they are getting paid. Most of them, they get paid. A lot of them get paid, a lot, medium, small, I don't know, but people do get paid from that. So if it's something you fancy, you can start following people, follow a lot of clubs, follow a lot of big places, big people that loves to go out, and then always ask for updates. You need to always be online, be researching on events that are coming up, business that are coming up, ceremonies that are coming up, and then work on it, start inviting people, sharing the flyers, be the event planner, be one of those people that are into the event to plan it when those people are coming. So this is another idea. Now, like I said, this is a part 1 of business ideas for 2023 that you can start in Scotland, in the UK, or wherever you are. So the part 2 will be coming. I didn't want to make this video too long, that's why I only stopped at 7. So just stay tuned for the part 2. The part 2 is going to carry more ideas, more better ideas. This is stay tuned for those ideas. Without further talk, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, thumbs it up, and share with your friends. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you all. Bye.